Assalamu alaikum, dear students of Falcon House Grammar School, Campus 9. This is your teacher Hina from FGS Campus 9. So, dear students of Level 8, today we are going to understand a surah which is the part of first chapter of your syllabus. And the surah is Surah Ikhlas, a very important surah of Holy Quran and a very important surah of your syllabus as well. So dear students, as you are already aware that whenever we discussed topics from chapter 1 like passages of Holy Quran, verses from Holy Quran or surahs, so we discussed two things about those passages or verses or surahs, and those two things are first the main theme and second the importance, right beta? So first of all we are going to understand its main theme, and Surah Ikhlas is not a new surah for you. You are already aware of it, that in this surah about the oneness of Allah things are mentioned. You are already aware of its translation. So basically the main theme of this surah, it is that Allah is one. This surah is all about the oneness of Allah, and it is mentioned in this surah that Allah is the exclusive worthy of worship, right? There is no God but Allah. As the first verse of this surah says, क्या कहती है first verse? قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. Say He is Allah, one. Ahad means one, right? So this surah is basically about the unity of Allah, that there is no God but Allah. And there is no God but Allah, it is the translation of the first kalma as well, La ilaha illallah. If it come to the second verse is Allahu Samad, that Allah is absolute, Allah is perfect, Allah beniyaz hai. Third verse, Lam yalid walam yulad. He is neither the father of anyone nor the son, means he is free from all relationships, the relationship of spouse, daughter or son. And Allah is not like us, Allah is not weak like humans, as we need relations to survive in this world. Parents are the reason for our survival in this world, and we are nothing without our parents. We need a lot of relationships to survive in this planet, but Allah Ta'ala is free from all such weaknesses. And the last verse is Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Allah is, its translation is, there is none like unto him. It means that Allah is matchless, He is incomparable. No one can compare himself or herself to Allah. No, Allah is, He is perfect, He is free from human weaknesses, He is not dependent on anyone. Allah is absolute, and there is no God but Allah. ठीक है? He is not the father of anyone, He is not the husband of anyone, He is free from all such relationships. So it means that Allah must be worshipped alone. Now come to its importance. Importance of Surah Ikhlas is this. Actually, whenever we recite this surah, so this surah enhances our belief in monotheism, the concept of monotheism. As you know, students, that we Muslims, we are monotheist, we believe in one God. So whenever we recite this surah encourages us that our God is perfect, He is free from weaknesses, He is matchless, He is complete, He is perfect, right? So this surah is actually giving us the hope that our creator, our cherisher, our sustainer is perfect, right? And He must be worshipped alone. We are not allowed to associate any sort of partner with Him. So this surah is actually giving us the message to worship Him alone, right? No, we are not allowed to worship any prophet or any other false god or any statue or any star or any celestial object. No, we are not allowed to do such useless things. And students, you must know that this surah, it is the best surah of Holy Quran to discuss, to describe, to explain the concept of oneness of Allah, right? in Quran there are a lot of other verses which are giving us the message that God is alone, God is free from uh, all those relationships on which humans are dependent. So but this surah, it is completely about the oneness of Allah, and no other surah can match it, okay? Because its concept is quite different from all the other surahs, right beta? So this surah is making us realize that our God is matchless and we should worship him alone. There is no one who can match or compare himself or herself in his attributes. मतलब अपनी ये नहीं कह सकता कि my attributes are like Allah. No, Allah is perfect, he is free from errors, right? ठीक है? His and we cannot say that there is any error in his decision or there is any error in the system of this world. No, right beta? ठीक है? So and this surah is the message for all the disbelievers as well who associate partners with Allah, right beta? Okay, so this was the importance of this surah. And now come to the assignment. So your assignment is according to the first question of paper 1 of CAIE, which is, first is, what is the main theme of Surah Ikhlas, right beta? First of all you are going to write its main theme, and then you are going to write its importance, that what is the importance of this surah in your life. Still, if you have any query or any confusion regarding this topic, you may ask through WhatsApp. Thank you so much.